Hello friends, this is our second video in the series of first programming task. In the last video we saw how to create your own folder for your exercise files, how to create a text file and then modify the extension to HTML file, and later on how to open this HTML file in the Chrome. Today we'll talk about adding the content to this newly created file. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a specific language defined to give structure to the web pages. Just like any other document, this HTML page is also a document, and it has a header, body and a footer. So let's open and add some content into it. So right click the file we have in Notepad. Let's start with Notepad and then we'll come to this. Open with Notepad. Okay, so this was a basic text file which we had earlier. Now we'll delete this content and start writing HTML code. So HTML has a lot of tags, and each tag has a start and end tag. Like HTML is started and this HTML document ends here. In between we have other sections like head and then body. So we can divide the document into these sections and add the content within it. So head space is also useful for defining the title of the page. First programming task. Let us open and see. Yeah, you can see the first programming task on the top. In the body we can add some content. Say we add Raha Academy and try opening. Let's go to the page and refresh it. Now you can see it is whatever we have typed, it is coming here, and if you observe, it is similar to the text file what we had earlier. There is no specialty in it. So that is because we have not formatted this particular element. So in order to format, we have to add structure to it. So there are many ways to do that. HTML comes with such tags. We have a list of tags which I'll take you through. Commonly used tags are like paragraph tags and div tags. Let's use p tag and see the difference. Nothing much, but we can add the content here and see how it behaves. Okay, now we can add another para. So, second video. Okay, so you get structure like this. Then length or how long is this particular statement. So let's add some background to it. Style. Okay, so this is the whole task, and similarly you can add the same styling part to each of this paragraph, say blue. Okay, now you can see this whole section is covered by this paragraph, and this is somewhere aligned in the left. Now what we can do is we can say text align center to get this paragraph in the middle, and let's add some good colors to it, like light gray, and this one let's go back to white. Okay, so we have this content here. We can also increase the size of the text, like font size. We can make it as 30 px, and we can see it increasing. We can change the color of the font, but just to give an example, yeah, we have the content, and each text part can be formatted as per our needs. So for this small task, we'll end it here.